Right. Let us proceed. Can I erase all this? Doesn't they become very easy when you practice? Kapumu. Right, let us look at another problem. Let's see. Right, Kwazi bought a 750 milliliter can of motor oil. He is aware that the can of oil is not filled to its fullest capacity. Below is a photograph of the can of motor oil and a diagram showing the external dimensions of the cylindrical can. Now we can try and look into that. Okay. Let me just try to draw this like this. Okay. This is 10.5 centimeter. All right. We have a height of 2.5 centimeter. They say to us, note that 1 centimeter equals 1 milliliter. Or 1 centimeter squared. It seems like there's a number there. It seems like there's a number here. 1 centimeter squared equals 1 milliliter. There seems to be a number there. But they just couldn't write that number. Why? There seems to be a number there. K3. Number. Okay. Right. And they say to us, calculate the actual capacity, which is the volume of the can, in 7.1.1. Calculate the actual capacity of the can using the formula volume of a cylinder equals pi multiplied by the radius, that is squared, multiplied by the height. They say we must use pi 3,142. That is fine. I can say 3,142 times the radius. Right. What is this? This is the diameter, okay? Because it distance out to a mono yaman. That's the diameter. In order to find the radius, I'm going to say that the radius is half of the diameter, which is 10,5 divided by 2. What is 10,5 divided by 2? 10,5 divided by 2.
5.25.
5.25 centimeter. So I'm going to say 5.25, that must be squared. The height is 2.5. Mpeta. Mpeta. Moparofeta. Mpeta. 3,142 times in the brackets 5.25, that needs to be squared, multiplied by 2.5.
$216,50,34,37.5
centimeter cubed. This is the actual volume of the cylindrical object. 7.1.2. The volume of the empty space in the can when it is filled with 750 milliliter of motor oil. Now, Babaka, the volume of the empty space. in the can when it is filled with 750 milliliter. 750 milliliter of oil, of motor oil. The amount, the volume of the empty space.
Hello. Hello. Thank you.
The amount of empty space when 750 milliliter of oil is inside. Again, 1 meter, 1 centimeter cubed, 1 milliliter. Hagina 1 centimeter, and I can 216, 5034375. This is equals to x. Okay, it's it. 216, 5034375 equals x. But I will convert it to milliliters again. I will cross multiply. X equals this times this is exactly that again. 216, 5034375 what? Milliliters. Again, give it a milliliters. But now, if it's 750, so calorie 216, 5034375 milliliter minus 750 milliliter. Let the amount of space, the empty space, when you only fill up 750 milliliter of oil. Or salad space this guy.
-5.
Kenan, RMP. Kenan. 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 The volume of the empty space in the can when it is filled with 750 milliliter of motor oil. Again, just a skin pause. I see 2,5 into 12,5. Kabona man, there's something that doesn't add up. Yes, sis.
12.
I get 12. Yar. Askis. Get 12. I'm very sorry. Kabona, we go for negative. There's something wrong. Say answer ye. I'm very, very sorry. Kabona Raiko. Something is not adding up. Something is not adding up. Kabona Raiko.
12,5. 1082.
1082, comma
517.
517,
188.
188
Yes.
centimeter cube. I'm very sorry. And then serere empty space equals 1082, 517188 minus 750. 1082, 517188 minus 750.
332,
comma 517188
yes.
Centimeter cube. This is the amount of empty space that is left. This is the amount of empty space that is left. If you fill up that cylindrical object with an oil up until a volume of 750 milliliter, you will be left with an empty space of 332,517188.
Yes.
And then that will bring us to the end of our lesson for today.